are the most efficient consumers of carbon dioxide that there are on Earth. We're going to destroy that we cannot subject the Earth to the tortures we can now inflict upon it. When we talk about
Whoa, now that looks extremely scary. You might be neglecting this, but rising greenhouse gas is a huge issue. And this is where Project Drawdown comes. Well, Project Drawdown presents 100 solutions for humanity to reach climate drawdown, the point at which greenhouse gas concentrations in the atmosphere begin to decline on a year-to-year basis. Since it sounds pretty much interesting, let's take a look at one of the solutions. Every day, the food we eat connects us to a vast global web of farmers, traders, food manufacturers, retailers, and many other people involved in getting food from farm to fork. Most of us probably don't even pause to think about it while biting into a piece of fruit or a slice of bread, but this global food system is central to some of the biggest challenges facing humanity, and providing a livelihood for farmers, followed by protecting the environment, must be tackled together if we are to make sustainable progress in any of them. But how are we going to do this?
This can be tackled by conservation agriculture. Conservation agriculture is a type whose techniques are focused on the conservation, improvement, and efficient use of the resources. The Food Agriculture Organization of the United Nations (FAO) has based conservation agriculture in three main principles. Number 1, continuous minimum mechanical soil disturbance with direct seeding, that is no tillage.
Number 2, permanent soil organic, cover with crop residues or cover crops to the extent allowed by water availability.
Number 3, species diversification through varied crop sequence and associations involving at least 3 different crops. Conservation agriculture is generally a win-win situation for both farmers and the environment.
Have you noticed that all of the supermarket production is labeled with its country of origin? That's in part because so many of us are concerned about buying fruits and vegetables produced by sustainable agriculture, while some countries they use destructive farming practices such as clearing forests to grow palm oil. Malaysia is a model for conservation agriculture. Malaysian palm oil production meets the definition of conservation agriculture.
In Malaysia, the Good Agricultural Practices Standard began in 2002 with the introduction of Farm Accredited Scheme by the Ministry of Agriculture and Agrobase. This program is designed to accredit farms that adopt to Malaysian Good Agricultural Practices, or also known as MyGAP.
The agricultural industry is essential to our existence, but the use of land and labor for farming has decreased over the past 50 years. We can't survive if we don't have farmers producing our food, so we all should support our agricultural industry. This is easier to do if we understand the issues that affect it.
Let's support
Let's support
Conservation agriculture.